Hi guys, today I want to show you how to make jute twine bird's nest. For this you need small pocket folding knife and jute twine. Okay. Uh, First you need to cut your jute twine on these big pieces like that. So I'm going to cut them now. I'll measure how long they are. Now I'm going to cut them like that. And today I'm not going to make a big bird's nest because this is just for the purposes of demonstration. So I'll make a small jute twine bird nest and I'm going to light it using my fire steel to show you guys how to make it and how it burns. Okay. Oh well, I can use all of this. Okay, I've been cut down um, all of this jute twine, and now you need to do is take a piece of jute twine and you just kind of want to fluff it up like that. You see, you want to fluff it all up. This will be hard because this is a pet jute twine. It's not the it's not that thin. See, when you got like those, and then you fluff it up until you get like something like that. See, and on the end you should get something like that, just a lot bigger. Okay, fluff this up with small bird's nest. See, you need to get this because this easily catches sparks on your fire steel. And I prefer the thick jute twine because you see I used this big piece of it. You see how thick this is, and I got this. You can light it. How I know it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fires you can light using this because normally if you're in real survival situation this would be enough for you to start a fire. If you're lost, I know, in somewhere in cold conditions, so that means that you have to save all of your fire lighting tinders. Okay. I'll fluff up one more that I can get a bigger flame. Oh, geez. Okay, now I've fluffed up a two pieces of jute twine, two pieces like that, and I've got this small bird's nest. Okay, and then you make like a hole in it. That wait a second, you fluff it up a little bit more, and then you make a small nest like that, like that. And then you take your fire steel and then strike in the middle of it. Oh, here it comes. You see how this burns. It needs while to light this with your fire steel, but it's better to have something than nothing. And if this doesn't give that much of a flame, but never mind. Okay guys, that's it, and today I shown you how to make a small bird's nest out of jute twine, and maybe this is not the most reliable way of making fire, but at least you will have something. And I mean, in your fire kit, survival kit, and other kits, it's you have always space to put this in. So I recommend to carry this because this is lightweight and it doesn't take that much of a space. But and I've got a small pile of this using just two of these, so it's easier to light fire with something than without nothing.